Hey, it's Eileen, and today I'm here with another shoe cleaning video, and I'm cleaning these Nike Air Max. I wear these shoes for work. They are just disgusting, and I've stopped wearing them because they're so dirty. So today I'm going to take care of that. I'm scrubbing them down with a product that I bought on Amazon that I find works out pretty well for me. These shoes were just covered in so much dust. I'm a wedding photographer and do all on location work, mainly outdoors, and we've had no rain here in Minnesota, so it's been so dusty out. So already I am seeing some great results. This is really going to be life changing for me. I love the way they're looking, and now I'm on to my second shoe. And to be honest, I can't believe I didn't do this earlier because I am really going to feel so much better now that I can wear these shoes again. I love cleaning shoes. It really makes me so happy. And thank you all for watching. I hope you have a great day. Bye bye.